signal conversion kit for motorsport scooters. As you can see, it provides a very easy 20-step installation guide. I'll be showing you each of these 20 steps. The first step is to remove the Piaggio badge from the horn cover. To do this, you need a small flathead screwdriver. In case of damaging the paint, you might want to put a little masking tape on the tip of the screwdriver. See? Next, you have to remove the screw from the horn cover. You have to make sure that you can identify which screw goes where, and you might want to use a magnetic tray to do this. I should be able to slide the horn cover up and pull it right off. Now we need to take both of the mirrors off. You can do this by using a 17mm wrench. Found out that there is a washer under the mirror stem. When taking the mirrors off, try your best to get it off with the mirror. If not, you have to use your magnetic tool to get it out before taking off the assembly. I'll do my best to get this out with the second mirror. There are 3 screws that I have to remove. The first one is right below the headlight. Now there are 2 screws that I have to remove in the rear. Here and here. There's a plastic tab holding on each end. You need to use an angle screwdriver to remove and pry each tab open. As you can see, before we can fully remove this, we need to disconnect some of the connections to the turn signals and the headlight. The smaller connections have a little tab holding them together. You need to press the tab with a screwdriver in order to get them apart. Now that all the connections are taken off, we can take off the housing and put it aside. Now we have to remove the turn signal pods. We have to use an 8mm wrench and a 3mm Allen. The kit includes plugs to cover up the exposed holes left from the turn signal pods. Now I need to remove both leg shield turn signals. To remove the bulb housing, you just twist it off. Now I'm going to take off the second side. We're going to disconnect the stock bulbs by pushing down on the wire and pulling out. Now we have to feed the new wiring up through the existing wiring. I've located the white and pink connectors so that we can connect them. The pin should go through the hole, so it should make a clicking sound. The black connector in the middle of the new wiring harness attaches to one of the 2 old marker light connectors. You can use either one. I'm going to choose the left one. When feeding through the new bulb holders, you have to make sure that you know that there's a left and a right from sitting on the bike's perspective. All you have to do is push these two metal tabs to insert it into the reflector. Now I'm going to install the other side. We're going to use the two small zip ties to tie down the unused turn signal connectors. The kit supplies a third small zip tie to make sure that you can secure the unused turn signal connector to the horn bracket. However, I think it would just be a whole lot easier to just secure it with a large zip tie. I'm going to use another large zip tie to secure the new wiring harness to the bracket. Now I have to reconnect the two headlight connectors. Now, to reattach the assembly, we're going to use the two plastic clips to hold them in place. Make sure they're both inside and you're not pinching any wires. Before you screw everything into place, you need to test out the electricals. First, turn the key on. Make sure your engine kill switch is in the off position and then switch it to the on position. Now I have to install the two rear mounting screws, here and here. Now I'm going to go ahead and install the front mounting screw. Now it's time to install the horn cover. Now you can go ahead and install the Piaggio badge. Now it's time to install the mirrors. Make sure you put a finger underneath the plastic housing to make sure that the washers don't fall off while you're installing the mirrors. Make sure you use a 17mm wrench to tighten the mirrors. And now for the best part, I get to take it out on a test ride. I'd like to thank Motorsport Scooters for sending me this cool t-shirt to wear while making the video.